Look at you.
Don't stop now.
Yeah, he wants you to hurry up. He's hungry. You hear him? Look, he's looking at the food, Steffi.
Come on,
Give him a bite. He says, come on, lady. Hurry up. You're going to feed me. You got to be faster.
I like your mommy,
That's too cute.
Had to go away.
Miss
You went away. You had a little bit
No.
Yeah, don't let him put his fingers in the jar.
We'll switch. You can do this one. Yeah, he'll grab it right away.
Could I have another spoon?
No, he'll
But he can
use the same one. Let him
Yeah,
take
he can
that
use the
bite.
same
You
one.
wash this?
There.
Watch, he's going to spill it. You
Yeah,
got to
don't
hold
let
it.
him grab it.
He's
Hold
gonna
the
take
food.
it.
Don't let the baby put his fingers in it.
Guys got the video running.
Okay, there you go. Is that bananas?
Watch your feet.
Smell like bananas, Steffi?
You like to eat, I'll tell you that.
It's like a little baby pterodactyl.
Oh, now Justin's yeah,
He can eat like a madman.
Cake.
For being so little. You wouldn't think he could eat so
joke
much.
that
That's a lot of food away, huh?
James is being pterodactyl.
Are you okay?
Justin, who's that?
What's his
Who's that?
name? Do you remember?
Gage.
Yeah, the baby's name is Gage.
Just laying on top of him in there, like, aw.
Give him a kiss.
Where is my camera? Way too far away.
Hey, buddy.
Darn it.
Yeah, you give him a kiss? You too? Thank you.
Sorry.
Laughing, smiling, and eating at the same time he is.
What are you,
He usually poops and eats at the same time.
He's probably doing that too.
Try not and get it off his chin if you can, Steffi.
Yeah,
Take
you
the
gotta
spoon.
use the spoon
Take
and
the
clean his
spoon
face.
And clean his chin. That's
Oh,
it.
good catch.
Oh,
put it in his
shove
mouth.
it right in there. All
There,
right.
Good. Now you're doing
Ready
it just like a
To
mommy.
feed James. She's ready now.
Natural.
She's saying,
Oh.
look at everyone take
Justin.
my camera's inside.
I'll
his
email you a
face,
couple of
trying to get
Okay.
Justin.
I got a couple good Justins.
I got one of Justin when we got here. He
This
found the
is
dirt
crazy,
bike
man.
down there and was on it in a flash.
Yeah.
Looked around, where's Justin? And he's sitting all by himself on the little bike.
Yeah, you can just tag Beth and tag Heather and they'll have it.
Yeah, can you,
Not that she's not getting her own here.
Yeah.
can you grab us?
Nice part about
I'm gonna jump
property.
in the back.
What's up?
Okay.
Goose Pond Mountain Park.
What am I pushing?
Swamp Park.
Left?
It's a touch
Oh, that's right. Okay. Sorry, smartphones.
How
Come
often
sit
do
with you guys.
get out there? Have you been out
Can you
there?
look over there at my mom? Steffi, can you look at my mom quick?
He told me to expect mid to end July is like when we visit. That's when we start doing all
I
that.
think I got it. Justin wasn't looking.
That's
Ain't
okay.
showing
I got
much
a
good
bunch.
job as a nanny too.
I got it.
Get the sun reflection off everything.
Now, how far would, it's only half an hour, like after work, if you
Yeah,
want
that's
to
good.
come, you could go
It's not
after work,
easy.
so it's
Yeah,
half an hour.
I bet.
Yeah.
It's easier when you're younger, though, I'll tell you that much.
Wow. The oldest is
Yeah.
To the doctors.
That's not fair. There's no diaper changes.
It's only for big kids. See the
Yeah,
whale
you
on
gotta
his butt?
take that spoon and get it clean stuff.
Whoa.
Yep. Now you gotta wash it.
So close.
No, that's gotta go get washed now.
Okay, yeah, the whale on that for your shirt. Boy, why are you looking cross-eyed at me for, huh?
What a mess. Oh, yeah? You gonna feed him more stuff?
You piglet.
Or did
Little piglet. Are you a little piglet?
He wants
He gets mad.
There you go.
He gets mad when he doesn't get his face stuff.
Come on, he's waiting.
You're Gage. 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 Hey!
It's very distracting.
Yeah, he gets distracted very easy.
Wow, yeah.